how to enable and set up Do Not Disturb mode on Android. It's a really useful feature when you don't want calls or notifications interrupting you. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now, tap Notifications, then select Do Not Disturb. Here you'll see the Do Not Disturb switch. Simply tap the toggle to turn the feature on or off. Here's an important note. If you want Do Not Disturb to turn on automatically, tap Turn On as Scheduled. Then choose your preferred start time, end time, and the days you want the schedule to repeat. If you never want to miss emergency calls, you can also enable the option to allow repeat callers, so a second call from the same person within a few minutes will still ring. Once you've finished, simply go back. Your changes are saved automatically, and Do Not Disturb will work based on the settings you've selected. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and set up Do Not Disturb mode on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and Android tutorials.